Hello, I'm Ryan. I am a very seasoned and experienced reward, cashback, and receipt scanning app user. This video here is to provide proof of Payout. This is my Payout proof for CoinOut. Additionally, if you follow along with the screen recordings to the left, you will see the entire process of cashing out your coins. That's the in-app currency with CoinOut, your coins, converting that to real spendable money. For me, I have been cashing out using Venmo for quite a long time. I've cashed out many times. And if you're wondering how quickly the payout from CoinOut gets to you, with Venmo, and the minimum starts at 5,000 coins, which is $5. It has been virtually instant every time. You hate to get too comfortable with that. Really need that cash, some gas money for work to get to work. And then it doesn't arrive instantly, but I'm just telling you my experience over years. It's darn near instant every time. So use that information, but also be cautious. CoinOut is my favorite receipt scanning app. My link is in the description. If you want to get started using CoinOut, you can use my link that is in the description, and I would get some coins for you using that link, and I would appreciate it. You can see here, we're finishing up. We're confirming the Venmo payment here, jumping through the final hoops. And what I'll notice here, when I'm trying to show you the proof of the payment that it did come in through Venmo from CoinOut, Venmo does not let me screen record their app. I'll have to come up with a different way, and I think that different way could be showing you the notification as confirmation. And again, this CoinOut payout was darn near instant, and there you go. It comes from a virtual reward center. That's who handles their payouts, at least for this method. You could cash out for 3,000 coins or $3 if you want Amazon, but I typically want total freedom of what I can do with what I earned. So there's your proof. There's my experience with how long a CoinOut payout takes. They've held strong with what they reward you with. They haven't drastically reduced anything. In fact, they've added features. One of my favorite features is how you can do a daily jingle. You get rewarded just for logging in every day. So link in the description. Thank you for watching.